Hi, my YouTubers. Thanks for subscribing. Always like and comments. Okay, so today we are gonna talk about the Dyson AC33. I'm gonna tell you guys what I like about it and not. What I like about it is great suction, works well, does not swivel, and it has a nice long cord. I think it's about a 25-foot cord, filters on the side, and a stiff brush roller. And what I don't like about this vacuum is quite expensive to replace the clutch, and I don't want to do a price because I just don't want to. And some things what you guys should look out before you buy it. What about it? They are great machines. They run about roughly about $300. Now they don't. They run about $280 now. Very nice machines. Yeah. And next one we're gonna have is so always like, subscribe, and there'll be more videos today. I'm gonna do a lot of videos today.